Hi, today we talk about secrets to healthy and shiny hair in Dubai. In hot and humid climate, hair in Dubai can become dull, dry, and brittle. Intense sun exposure, swimming in seawater, and the use of air conditioners can all take a toll on the hair structure. However, with proper care, you can maintain the health and beauty of your locks even in such harsh conditions. In this article, we'll unveil the secrets to hair care that will help Dubai residents achieve luscious, shiny tresses. Structure first, it's essential to understand the structure of hair. Hair consists of the cuticle, cortex, and medulla. The cuticle is the outer protective layer, which, when damaged, becomes rough, leading to dull hair. The cortex is responsible for hair strength and elasticity. The medulla, located in the center, contains nutrients and pigments that determine hair color. Research shows that excessive exposure to sunlight, chlorine in pools, and aggressive chemical substances can lead to the breakdown of the cuticle and cortex, making hair brittle and dull. Proper nutrition for healthy hair in Dubai. Proper nutrition from within is crucial for hair health. Research shows that deficiencies in protein, vitamins, and minerals can lead to hair loss, brittleness, and dullness. Incorporate protein-rich foods like fish, eggs, legumes, and nuts into your diet. They promote hair growth and strengthening. Additionally, vitamins A, C, E, iron, and zinc, which can be obtained from vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and seafood, are essential. Dubai residents often spend time in the sun and swimming pools, which can severely damage their hair. Ultraviolet rays from the sun can discolor and dry out hair, while chlorine in pools can make it brittle and dull. To protect your hair, use specialized sun protection products and swimming caps. It's also recommended to apply natural oils like coconut or argan oil to your hair, creating a protective barrier. Research shows that argan oil, rich in vitamins A and E and antioxidants, effectively nourishes and restores damaged hair. Avoid roughly combing wet hair, as it's most vulnerable in this state. Use a wide-tooth comb or a massage brush. Refrain from rubbing your hair with a rough towel. Instead, gently pat it dry and allow it to air dry naturally. Research shows that excessive friction during combing and harsh towel drying can lead to cuticle damage and hair loss. While the market is flooded with hair care products, not all are suitable for Dubai's hot and humid climate. Give preference to professional products specifically designed to restore and protect hair. One of the best choices is the Color Protection Structure Hair Restoring Treatment by elasticity. This innovative two-phase complex restores and regenerates the internal and external structure of chemically treated hair. The first phase, Structure Hair Restoring Spray, contains the amino acid cysteine, which reconstructs damaged disulfide bonds in the hair shaft and fills keratin gaps. The second phase is the intensely nourishing Structure Restoring Mask with camellia and argan oils. It deeply nourishes and regenerates the hair structure, seals it on the surface, and protects against external influences and premature color fading. After the two-phase treatment, hair becomes strong, healthy, and soft, with a silky shine and vibrancy, as if it had never been subjected to chemical stress. Research shows that comprehensive care that restores the internal and external hair structure provides long-lasting results and protection against environmental stressors. Maintaining healthy and beautiful hair in Dubai is achievable by following the proper care routine. Nourish your hair from within, protect it from the sun and chlorine, handle it gently during combing and drying, and use professional restorative products like the Color Protection Structure Hair Restoring Treatment by elasticity. By following these tips, you can enjoy luscious, radiant locks even in the harshest climatic conditions.